Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be looking at a Nathan Airchime M5. Now this is a Scolloped based horn. Unfortunately Nathan actually doesn't make M horns anymore. That's the series of the horn. Unlike the K horns and the P horns, these horns have a lot more parts inside and they use a lot more air. They also wear a lot faster, which is one reason they don't make them anymore. Your railroads, just with constant service usage, they would wear out and they'd have to be remachined. And also with these horns, you have to voice them. So what that means is on the back, you've got these individual caps, right? Voicing them is you turn these caps to tighten it down against the diaphragm, and that diaphragm pushes against the seat, and that's what makes it blow. So you had to voice these horns pretty often from what I hear with the railroads. Also, the way they're constructed, the parts of the horns, they would seize, they'd be hard to get apart. Also, with each individual bell, you had different size back caps, different diaphragms, different size nozzles. So just everything was different. Nothing was universal like your P horns or your K horns. So that's one reason why they got rid of, just stopped manufacturing these horns. But anyway, they're great sounding horns. They use a lot of air, a lot more than a K and a P horn. Now, this is a 3/16 inlet. So it is a smaller, which uses less air. It's also a little bit less harsh. I've got an M3 that has the 5/16 inlet, and man, it uses a lot of air. So I swear it uses more air than this M5, but you'll see it here later on. So anyway, this is my Nathan Airchime M5.